In the YouTube video titled, "The Future of Game Development Has No Game Engine?" by Fireship, the host elucidates a groundbreaking paper published jointly by Google and Tel Aviv University that posits a paradigm shift in game development by utilizing entirely neural network-based game engines. The paper's focal point is a reimagining of the iconic first-person shooter Doom, constructed with the Game Engine engine. This engine, a groundbreaking technological achievement, leverages a synthesis of stable diffusion and reinforcement learning algorithms to generate a 3D environment, collision detection, and graphics in real time without the need for conventional coding. The host underscores the revolutionary potential of this technology, highlighting its capacity to usher in a new era of game development, characterized by unparalleled levels of complexity and realism. The host envisions a future where games like GTA could feature vast, open worlds populated by billions of unique non-player characters, NPCs, across multiple parallel universes, all generated dynamically using neural networks. Despite the promise of Game Engine, the host acknowledges its current limitations, highlighting its experimental nature and its present inability to provide a fully playable experience. Nevertheless, he posits that the technology possesses immense potential and could be readily adopted by leading game developers in the foreseeable future to craft more immersive and dynamic gaming experiences. The host also extends the potential applications of this technology beyond gaming, suggesting its use in robotics for training robots in simulated environments, obviating the necessity for physical hardware. Concluding with a philosophical contemplation on the implications of AI advancements, the host draws a connection between the Game Engine engine and the ongoing development of artificial general intelligence. He speculates on the possibility that AI could surpass human intelligence in the future, leading to profound consequences for humanity and raising existential questions about the future of our species. From 0 minutes to 5 minutes of the video, the presenter introduces a groundbreaking development in game engine technology, Game Engine, a neural network-based engine developed collaboratively by Google and Tel Aviv University. This revolutionary technology, as demonstrated in the newly released Doom, renders graphics in real time at 20 frames per second without any traditional code-based level design. This achievement marks a pivotal shift in game development, as it signals the potential for AI-powered engines to create interactive experiences without the limitations of conventional coding practices. The speaker goes on to clarify that the underlying graphic rendering techniques employed by Game Engine rely on 2.5D graphics, also known as billboarding, where two-dimensional images are manipulated to mimic the appearance of a three-dimensional environment. The presenter pays tribute to the legendary John Carmack, the lead developer behind Doom, recognizing his significant contributions to the field of game development, including the creation of Doom, Wolfenstein, and Quake, as well as the open-source release of the Doom engine in 1997. Carmack's innovative work has significantly influenced the development of the contemporary game development landscape. From 5 minutes to 4 minutes of the video, the speaker discusses a research paper published by Google and Tel Aviv University, which introduces Game Engine, a novel game engine driven by neural networks. This engine possesses the capability to simulate gameplay, graphics, and collisions in real time at 20 frames per second, obviating the need for traditional coding practices. The speaker elaborates on the technology's foundation in stable diffusion, an AI algorithm trained to extrapolate the subsequent frame based on a sequence of preceding frames and player actions. A comparison is drawn between this innovative approach and the techniques employed in the seminal 1993 game, Doom, which utilized 2D sprites to create the illusion of three-dimensional visuals. Although the technology remains in its nascent stages, the speaker forecasts its transformative potential for game development, enabling companies such as Rockstar Games to generate intricate environments, non-player characters, and narrative arcs in real time. The video concludes by examining the technology's applicability beyond the gaming realm, particularly within the domain of robotics, where it could facilitate the training of robots in simulated environments without the requirement for physical hardware.